So, nandito ako ngayon sa plaza ng Lucena. And hindi ko napapakita yung nasa paligid kasi hindi pa maintain. So, today, sasabihin ko sa inyo kung ano ba yung compose ng caregiving in situ. And it is 1,078 hours. So, ayan, nakalagay dito sa certificate or training certificate na kinuha ko ngayon lang. So, from October 15, 2019 kami nag-start ng training. Then, hanggang April 29, 2020. So, medyo maingay yung background, no? Kasi nandito nga ako sa plaza. So, Certificate of Program Registration. Malagay din dito yung number nila. Ayan. Units of Competencies. So, makinig. Basic competencies nila is participate in workplace communication. So, ito yung una yung pag-aaralan. Work in a team environment. So, bibigyan kayo ng task. So, by team kayo. Practice career professionalism. So, ito yung pag-introduce ka ng self mo, tapos naka-professional attire kayo. Formal rather. Practice occupational health and safety procedures. So, nabilang yan sa basic competencies. So, ang common competencies, implement and monitor infection control policies and procedures. Respond effectively to difficult or challenging behavior. Ito yung mga nag-iiba yung ugali ng pasyente. Ganun. Apply basic first aid. So, yung first aid is yung mga, halimbawa nun is yung what will you do with open wound or kapag nagsugatan yung pasyente. Syempre, mag-apply ka ng pressure. Maintain high standard of patient services. So, isa rin yan. Common competencies pa lang yun. Core competencies, provide care and support to infants or toddlers. Yes. Provide care and support to children. Foster social, intellectual, creative, and emotional development of children. Foster physical development of children. Provide care and support to elderly. Provide care and support to people with special needs. Maintain healthy and safe environment. Respond to emergency. Clean living room, dining room, bedrooms, toilet, and bathroom. So, ito, lalabas din ito sa assessment kapag kukuha ka ng caregiver. Wash and iron clothes, linen, and fabric. Ito, lalabas din ito. Prepare hot and cold meals. So, hindi na ito lumabas. Pero, papagawan pa rin kayo nito sa room ninyo. So, I think that's all for today's video. So, nakuha ko na yung aking training certificate. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more updates. That's all for today. Kung kaya ng iba, kaya mo rin. Thank you for watching.